Guess what day it is? That's right, it is a Walkaround Wednesday. So welcome to another episode of Las Vegas and Beyond. And today we're going to go check out Graffiti Alley down here at Fremont Street. Now I know it's been a while since I've done a Walkaround Wednesday, so if you're new to the channel, be sure to click on that subscribe button down below. And with any 360 video, be sure to swipe from left to right, or is that left to right, right to left, up and down, and all the way around. So let's get started with today's video. El Cortez on the right. Straight ahead, Fremont Street. And so, as you can see, we're on the corner of Fremont Street and 6th Street. We're going to head straight ahead and turn into Downtown Alley, or Graffiti Alley. Downtown Graffiti Alley? No, it's DC Alley. So this piece in front of me is by Sean Keith. This is his recent, or most recent, painting. In fact, I'll put a link to Sleepless in Las Vegas where he talked to one of the guys about this. So link down below and also up on my left. Let's go, man. Oh, look at you all rigged up with your Ronin and your alien bees. How are you guys? And I'll be sure to put a link down below, so check them out. Oh man, that is so sick.
Issue number 2 coming out in March. Issue number 2 coming out April 10th, release party, Patriot Park.
All right. sure to swipe right if you want to see the artwork. Do you have an Instagram? Yeah. Do you want to shout out your Instagram page?
What are you doing?
I do 360 and vlogs around Vegas, Las Vegas and beyond.
Yeah.
Go ahead, give a shout out. What's your Instagram?
It's quite long. It's RC
Okay.
Yeah.
All right.
So what I do is I combine street art and yoga.
Oh, nice.
Yeah.
Great. All right, guys, you heard that. Make sure you follow. I will put the link down below in the description.
Thank you.
Coming behind. how's it going? I would rather get that. Yeah. Oh yeah. Everything's it is, man. You got to reframe and but it's fun. Take care, brother. Alright guys, so that'll do it for this quick walk around Wednesday. I'll try to do more. I'm just trying to find interesting places to do walkarounds. And yes, this is the donut bar. It is 11:35 on a Sunday and they are closed because they sold out. At least I ate my breakfast. But if you did like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to click on that subscribe button down below and ring the bell icon. That way you'll be notified when I upload new content. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next Walk Around Wednesday, which I have no idea when that'll be. See ya.